Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Fabiha Sikandar Business Wali, and I'm proud student at Rihan School River campus, uh, which is an air-powered school. And as you all guys know, that we do interviews on a daily basis. So today again, we're having a very special guest for an interview, and his name is Sir Muhammad Server. Let's start with today's conversation. And okay, so Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum salam. Thank you. I'm fine.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to you for coming here and for giving me a precious time. I am so glad that you come here in our this today's interview conversation. So first of all, sir Muhammad Server. Okay. So first of all, introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your background so that we can know about you.
I'm engineer Muhammad Sarwar Arain. I graduated from NAD University of Engineering in electrical. I'm batch is 1984-85. I passed engineering degree from NAD University 1988, 89, 90. So I started my business. I didn't get any job. I started my business from the very basic, from the very first day, in the environmental, for the environment protection. So I started my first business for the vehicle fitness centers, vehicle fitness equipments, car repair equipments to control the emission of the vehicles, which create a lot of pollution in the cities and have a problem with the environment. This is my first business I started. So I did this business with the Suzuki company, Honda, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Nissan, and many other Hinopark and many companies in the equipment further to supply and after sales service and the training of the equipment to the end users. Then I started by another product, which is the cleaning product, cleaning machinery, road sweeping machinery, street sweeping machine. This is also for the good for the environment and the high pressure water jetting machines uh, for the car wash and industries. Then I added one more product that is called wind turbines. Wind energy, wind turbines is a device or equipment or machine which catch the energy from the air and that will convert into electrical energy. And these wind turbines are very useful for the city, for the domestic application, farmhouses, resorts, and telecom towers, and many more. As well for the remote villages where the people they don't have the light and they can generate the free electricity, green energy from wind and this energy can be used for the health and education in the remote applications as well as the in cities. The fourth technology I'm doing the business that is very most advanced technology. As I told you, I am the founder of wind turbines in Pakistan, and similarly, I am the founder of biomass gasification power generation plants in Pakistan. So the biomass gasification is also very advanced technology. That's also green energy, and mostly industries they use to combust combustion method. They adopt the combustion method for to generate the steam boilers and many other applications for heating as well. The combustion is very dangerous for the environment. Every year, temperature of cities is increasing. Even the country, the whole country temperature is increasing day by day. This is only due to the vehicle and the emission from the vehicles as well as the emission from the industries by combustion, lot of biomass, as well as this biomass is also combustion in the villages, the rice husk and the many other wastage of agriculture. The people normally they burn it and they combust them. So we have the technology. We don't make any combustion. We convert the biomass agriculture waste into syngas. This the whole system is a very compact method, and there is and no effect on the environment. This syngas can be used for the power generation without any grid connectivity for the remote areas as well, and the industries can use in the boilers. This syngas is also used for the domestic, for the cooking food and many more. The byproduct is a biochar charcoal. This is also very valuable byproduct. From the same material, we put just uh, suppose a 20 rupees biomass put in the gasifier. This gasifier is a dry technology that will immediately convert in 15 minutes into syngas, and byproduct is biochar charcoal that values more than 400 rupees kg in the market, even 800 rupees kg in the market. So we have we can offer the free electricity, and byproduct can pay the payback of the plant. This is also very useful for the EV charging stations. Any EV vehicles can have a fuel-free energy, and the car owners, the car manufacturer can offer to the peoples, to the buyer of the cars for the maybe 2 3 years fuel-free charging. So this is very useful technology. All product we are doing very useful and innovative products for the betterment of the country, to grow the economy of Pakistan, to upgrade the living standard of the peoples. And similarly, our role is also in the education and many more, and health as well.
Okay, sir, thank you so much for giving a very gorgeous introduction. So, my next question with you would be that what things you know about Sir Rehan Allahwala? Like, who is Rehan Allahwala?
Rehan Allahwala is doing very uh, innovative message for the in the education sector. Especially, I saw some videos on the Facebook and YouTube as well. So I find Rehan Allahwala is very genius and doing a great job for the country, for the nation, for the upcoming childrens, and for the students as well. Is very useful uh, for the country in the upcoming the technology advancement. This is a very important job he's doing. I really appreciate to him and his team as well.
Okay, yeah. Yes, you're right, and also he's the founder of Rehan Foundation. Like, we have so many campuses of Rehan School all over Pakistan. Also, we also have Rehan Online Academy, and currently I'm studying in Munawar campus, Rehan School Munawar campus, and basically Rehan School is not as usual as a traditional school. It's an artificial intelligence powered school, the first artificial intelligence school in the whole Pakistan. And In Rehan school, we don't study with books, copies, and a lot of stationery mess. Okay, we just have our own laptop and our one phone, and we work through it. We do graphic designing, coding, video editing. We do interviews. Like for example, right now I'm doing your interview. Like this. Also, we do interviews all around the world with each other. We do podcasts, and we see tech talks, and then we make reviews of them, and so much more. Like it's a it's a fun. And in Rehan school we also talk do communication with robots, so that our communication skills, our confidence, our English can get improved. And it's a very great schooling system, and I'm glad that my parents find this school on time before it gets too late. Like this is, if a if a if a student want to learn something innovative that will actually help them to in their future to pursue their goals, so they will definitely have to choose Rehan school for studying. And like for example, when I came previously I was studying in Beacon House schooling system, and when I came to Rehan school I was like my English was already like good. It was not the worst one, but still, I was not having the confidence to speak. But as soon as I arrived at Rehan school, I spent a bit time in Rehan school. My confidence got boosted, and then I started speaking in English more frequently, more, confidently. And I have done 50 interviews with foreigners, and not like not normal foreigners, the normal person, no, with scientists, with professors, with NASA engineers. I have done interviews with them. And I have done 200 plus local interviews just I have taken, and I have given I think almost 300 interviews. And I have done so much more. And since I'm in Rehan school almost 1.5 years ago, and in this 1.5 years, I have learned a lot, just a lot. And also in Rehan school, we do internships so that we can learn marketing skills. For example, um, I have done 3 internships right now, and now I'm on my third one, or on my fourth internship. And like stepping like stepping toward my goals. And when before I came to Rehan school, I just want to become, my dream was become a teacher. Okay, my dream was to become a teacher, or own a school, to be the principal, to be the founder. But when I came to this school, like this is also my perspective. My perspective didn't change. I'm still loyal with my perspective. But like the educational system, before I came to this school, my perspective was to create a traditional school as usual we are having in this world. uh, Almost we have traditional schools, less artificial intelligence schools. We are having so much less traditional schools, like sorry, we're having so much less artificial AI powered schools like we have. And I think that okay, traditional education is not bad, but still we have to include AI in our traditional schooling system, and that's what's happening. Like now in traditional schooling systems they are adding AI so that student can learn both skill. But still I think jitna bhi aa raha, the things are including in traditional schooling systems, they have to work more. They have to do more focus on adding AI in their traditional schooling system. Okay, so where was I? Okay, like still before I came joined Rehan school, I was having my dreams. But uh, after I came to Rehan school, now I'm Rehan school, so I'm seeing the track that where should I start, where to go. And like now my mindset is like, before I came to Rehan school, I was like, I am Fabiha and I want to become a teacher. And if I will get a chance, so I will become, and I'll pass with uh, good grades and at all. uh, all this. But now when I'm Rehan school, it's like I'm here, I'm Fabiha, I want to go there. How do I get there? So my mindset is कि मैं वे ढूंढ रही हूँ स्कूल में आके मैं वे ढूंढ रही हूँ कि मैं अपने गोल्स को कैसे परस्यू करूँ. So that's the, you know, that's the point कि रेहान स्कूल सबसे different क्यों है. And it's a very great school, it's a very you know, like artificial intelligence powered school. And we don't even have teachers in our school. Like, just have a thought, like we don't have any teachers in our schools. Like, Sir Rihan Wala say that humans are not your teachers. AI, ChatGPT is your teacher, is your best friend, so take help through it. And instead we have some facilitators. They don't teach us, they just facilitate us. And so many things more that are gorgeous in Rehan's who I just can't tell because that's a very long story. Well, so sir, now could you please tell me that did you know about our Wala Wali system?
Yes, this is very excellent work done by Rehan Allavala. I think this is the very basic requirement for the country, and it's doing very excellent job. I really appreciate and many blessings for him and his team. This is a very innovative way of teaching and excellent. If in the future AI is very important for all our fields, business and everything. So must we have to learn and everyone have to learn. So I'm also now busy for 2 days in the my exhibition Expo Center Karachi on 4th July and 5th July. So I also invite the students if they want to visit us in the exhibition center. They will see wind turbines and some other products we will introduce and make have some basic knowledge on the biomass gasification. So we are in the hall number 3 in the expo center and stall number 789. If anybody want to come, and we welcome, especially to the Rehan Allawala, personally to him, we want to see him if he will come and acknowledge me. I love, and we will have we can give him a very special protocol uh, of what he is doing for the nation, for the country, and for the students. I really appreciate, give my message to him, and we welcome him in the expo center. And after this, I want to see, and I want to see. I'm very happy to visit your institutions. So kindly. Also, I'm waiting for the acknowledgement about this, about the appointment. If he have the time to give me time, so I personally will come and also visit. I really appreciate your efforts, your team efforts, and they are doing very excellent job. So I think it's a very uh, valuable ideas, valuable themes, and very innovative solutions. I think in this way we can grow the country, we can grow the economy of Pakistan, make Pakistan people as a good citizen, good workmanship, and everything.
Okay, so sir, yeah, of course, why not? So you missed my question. I asked you that did you know about a Wala Wali concept? Like, I'm business Wali. Like, did you basically do you know about a Wala Wali concepts?
No, I have don't. I don't know so much, so I want to learn something more.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So basically, this is also concept done by like innovate by Sarbahanallah Wala Wali system. Like I'm business wali. This is because in my future I want to solve a problem of business of employees problem. Like almost everyone in Pakistan like is doing jobs and the salary they got is like 60,000, 80,000, 50, 30, and that's not quite enough income for a fulfilled life. So I want every Pakistani to own their own business and give jobs to robots rather giving it to the human beings and paying the salary too. So I want everyone in Pakistan um, to own their own business, and I hope that I will be able to help them to give instructions to them that how to start their own business. At least 1 million people have to start their own business, and from like that 1 million person जो वो सारे million persons होंगे उसमें से एक एक बंदा अगले मिलियंस पे अपना इम्पैक्ट डालें. सो आई वांट दिस लाइक बेसिकली मैंने बिजनेस पॉलिसी चूज़ किया बिकॉज आई वांट टू सॉल्व दिस एम्प्लॉयज प्रॉब्लम फॉर पाकिस्तान एंड आई वांट टू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर इन माय फ्यूचर. सो बेसिकली सरहान ने वाला वाली कंसेप्ट इसलिए चूज़ करा है जैसे कि हर बच्चे को पाकिस्तान में वर्ल्ड में कोई एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. बिकॉज सरहान सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छा नहीं बना रहे, वो लीडर्स बना रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर्स बना रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली हमें हर एक बच्चे को एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है और उसका इम्पैक्ट 1 मिलियन लोगों पे जाना चाहिए. सो उसके हिसाब से फॉर एग्जांपल पाकिस्तान में पानी का मसला है तो कोई वाटर वाला है तो वो उसके मसले सॉल्व करेगा. कोई लाइक जैसे कि पॉल्यूशन का मसला है, वी डोंट हैव मच प्लांट्स जितने होने चाहिए स्पेशली इन कराची. सो कोई प्लांट्स वाला है, कोई मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मसला है, लोड शेडिंग होती है कुछ एरियाज में. सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल आर फेसिंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स थ्रू इट. सो कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाला है तो ऐसे हमें अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. और इसलिए हमारा वाला वाली कंसेप्ट है. एंड आई होप कि मैं अच्छे से समझा पाऊँगी. आई होप समझा पाई हूँ आपको. आई होप सो. सो सर नाउ टेल मी दैट आपको वाला वाली का कंसेप्ट आई होप समझ में आ गया होगा. सो इफ़ यू जस्ट इमेजिन इफ़ यू विल बी द स्टूडेंट ऑफ अ Farhan school, so which वाला वाली will you choose?
I think this is also my motto to offer we are the basically solution provider company. We always think about the people problems and offer the solutions. All I introduce by myself, I'm doing uh, I'm offering the solutions since the last 36 years. I'm I'm doing my own way. So now I'm happy to hear that Rehan Lawal is also doing the same. We have the both have the same vision, same focus, same way to resolve the problems of the people. So we offer the solutions. So I'm with you and with your foundation or whatever you need from my side, I'm available, no problem. So we can together go to develop the nation, to develop the economy of the country. So I'm very thank you so much also to offer me for the interview. And this interview, I think, will be very helpful for the people. So they will learn a lot. Finally, I also invite to the peoples if they want to come to tomorrow in the Expo Center. So in the hall number 3, stall number 789. So it would be we are available from 11 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So after this exhibition, anybody if want to come to my office, so he can come to my office as well. Opposite to the Aladdin Park, there is a building named Akbar Paradise. I have the office there. So and I have the workshop. I also engage in the manufacturing of wind turbines in Pakistan. So this is my message for the people, for the nation, and they should have to send join the Rihan Lawala and for their childrens to learn about the AI and many more. As well, you defined a lot of basic things about the language courses and English language, many more. So these all are the necessary and very important for our children's, for the students, even for me and everything, including.
Okay, sir, thank you so much, and thank you so much for giving such a very great message to us, and thank you so much for coming here, giving us your precious time, and again, thank you so much, everyone, for seeing our today's conversation. I'll meet you all in the next interview with the next wonderful guest, and thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Thank you.